Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be going over how often to change your IV tubing. This will capture your primary, secondary, blood tubing, the whole shebang. So be sure to stick to the end to get all the essential content that you need. Beginning with your primary tubing, this is to be changed every 96 hours. So if you are the nurse that hangs the IV fluid of maintenance fluids, you want to make sure that you label it so it specifies, so the nurse knows that is coming on. If he or she needs to change it, they are prompted and they are aware. Also, your secondary tubing, also known as your IV piggyback. This could include for antibiotic administration or electrolyte replenishments. This is to be changed every 96 hours. Sticking with the 96-hour time frame, you have your PCEAs, which is your patient-controlled analgesic. This can include your hydromorphone, also known as Dilaudid, or your morphine infusions. This is changed every 96 hours. Then you have your PCEAs, which is your epidural catheter for pain management. An example is your fentanyl with bupivacaine. This is changed every 96 hours. Then you have your TPN, which is your total parenteral nutrition. You want to make sure you also include a micron filter attached to it. This is changed every 24 hours. This is infused through a PICC line. It could be a central line or a portacath, never a peripheral IV. Unless it's a PPN, then that can be administered through a peripheral IV. But TPNs have to be like central line access. So that is changed every 24 hours. Then you have your lipids, which is changed every 24 hours. You have your propofol, which is to be changed every 12 hours per manufacturer guidelines for blood products. So you can change your blood products every 4 hours or every 2 units, whichever comes first. And then you also have your albumin infusions. This is to be changed every 4 hours. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.